What happens when a meme-born digital token, once dismissed as a joke, suddenly outpaces some of the world's most established and respected stocks? It's a scenario that few could have predicted, yet it's exactly what's unfolded in the world of cryptocurrency. That's the remarkable story of Shiba Inu, a digital asset that started as an internet meme but quickly evolved into a global phenomenon, capturing the imagination of millions of investors and enthusiasts around the world. While traditional investors have long focused on blue-chip stocks for steady growth, SHIB has quietly delivered explosive, almost unbelievable gains, often defying even the most optimistic expectations. Its meteoric rise has left both skeptics and seasoned traders stunned, forcing many to reconsider what's possible in the digital age. The Nasdaq 100, a benchmark for tech giants, posted solid returns last year, rewarding patient investors. But SHIB's performance didn't just beat it, it absolutely dwarfed it, highlighting the unpredictable and unique potential that crypto assets can offer in today's markets. Despite relentless negative headlines, wild price swings, and constant skepticism from mainstream media, SHIB's community, known as the SHIB Army, has shown unwavering support and enthusiasm. Their collective belief has become a driving force behind the token's resilience. This resilience isn't just luck or hype, it's a sign of deep conviction and a long-term vision that many other assets simply lack. The SHIB Army's commitment has helped the token weather storms that would have crushed lesser projects. SHIB has faced its share of challenges, market downturns, exchange collapses, and waves of panic selling. Yet time and again, it keeps bouncing back, proving its staying power in a volatile landscape. It's certainly not immune to sharp drops, but its consistent recovery patterns reveal a surprisingly strong foundation and a loyal base that refuses to give up, no matter the odds. That's why so many are holding on, betting that SHIB's story is just getting started, and that the next chapter could be even more extraordinary than the last. The crypto world panicked as headlines and social media feeds exploded with speculation and fear. When Voyager Digital, a bankrupt lender, dumped trillions of SHIB tokens to pay creditors, it sent shockwaves through the market. Investors everywhere wondered if this was the beginning of the end for SHIB or SHIB, and uncertainty took hold. Fears of a price crash spread fast, amplified by viral posts and dramatic headlines. But in reality, this was just short-term noise, a temporary disruption, not a fundamental flaw. Think of it like a restaurant giving away free meals for a day. The sudden rush is intense, but it doesn't mean the restaurant is closing down. Voyager's liquidation was a one-off event, not a sign of SHIB's failure or a reason to abandon ship. The price dipped, but didn't collapse. Despite the massive sell-off, SHIB's value held up far better than many expected. The SHIB Army and new buyers quickly stepped in, absorbing the shock and showing the strength of the community. Their confidence helped stabilize the market. The fundamentals, technology, community, and ongoing development remained untouched. The project's core values and vision were never in doubt. This event proved SHIB's market maturity and resilience. It showed that the ecosystem could withstand shocks and bounce back stronger. Successful investors know to look past the headlines and focus on the big picture. They analyze the facts, not just the fear, and make decisions based on long-term trends. The Voyager sell-off didn't halt Shibarium's progress or weaken the community's resolve. Development continued, and the vision for SHIB's future stayed on track. SHIB's mission is intact, and its long-term potential remains strong. The project continues to innovate and inspire confidence among its supporters. Don't let temporary events or market noise cloud your judgment. Take a step back, clear your perspective, and focus on what truly matters. In crypto, separating fear from fact is key to winning. Stay informed, stay calm, and always keep your eyes on the bigger picture. In crypto, whales are the big players, and lately, they've been quietly accumulating SHIB. These investors don't gamble millions on assets they expect to fail. They see opportunity where others see risk. Whale accumulation during market dips signals confidence in SHIB's future. While retail investors panic, whales buy the dip, betting on long-term growth. Their moves suggest SHIB is undervalued and poised for a major run. For everyday holders, whale activity is a powerful indicator of market sentiment. It's not about copying whales blindly, but recognizing that smart money sees potential. SHIB's fundamentals, upcoming upgrades and a strong community are catching big investors' attention. When whales buy, it's a vote of confidence. For holders, that's a reassuring sign you're not alone. For a long time, critics dismissed SHIB as just another meme coin, a fleeting trend with no real-world application, but that perception is being turned on its head with the arrival of Shibarium, a true game-changer for the SHIB ecosystem. Shibarium is a Layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum, designed specifically to address the biggest pain points in crypto: high transaction fees and slow processing times. With Shibarium, sending and receiving SHIB becomes not only faster but also dramatically cheaper, opening the door for everyday use. Think of Ethereum as a packed city highway during rush hour. Transactions can get stuck in traffic, causing delays and frustration. Shibarium acts as the express lane, letting SHIB transactions zip past the congestion with ease. This means that using SHIB for everyday purchases, like grabbing coffee or shopping online, isn't just a futuristic dream. It's now practical, affordable, and within reach for anyone with a smartphone. The excitement is already building. On the testnet called PuppyNet, millions of transactions have been processed, attracting attention from developers, businesses, and crypto enthusiasts worldwide. Community members are eager to get involved, lining up to become validators and help secure the network. Their enthusiasm shows just how much faith there is in SHIB's new direction. Shibarium isn't just about payments. It's the foundation for a new wave of decentralized apps, blockchain games, and digital services, all powered by SHIB. By solving the problems of speed and cost, SHIB is transforming from a speculative token into a truly usable digital asset, one that can fit seamlessly into daily life. This shift toward real-world utility is what separates projects with staying power from those that fade away after the hype dies down. Shibarium is unlocking SHIB's potential in the decentralized economy, paving the way for a future where SHIB is more than just a meme. It's a vital part of the blockchain world. The meme coin label? It's fading fast as SHIB steps confidently into a new era of real utility and innovation. Shibarium is boosting SHIB's utility, but real-world adoption is already here. Major payment platforms like Flexa and BitPay now let thousands of merchants accept SHIB. You can use SHIB for groceries, movie tickets, or even at local cafes. Each new integration makes SHIB more useful and valuable. Like credit cards in their early days, SHIB is moving from novelty to necessity. Grassroots adoption is growing, driven by the passionate SHIB army. As more businesses accept SHIB, its value and utility snowball. This cycle is pushing SHIB into the mainstream economy. Real-world use changes perceptions. SHIB is becoming a tool, not just a token. The foundation for long-term value is being built, one transaction at a time. Beyond fundamentals, the charts are hinting at a SHIB turnaround. Technical analysis shows bullish signals like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, lingering in oversold territory. When sellers tire out, buyers step in, often sparking a reversal. SHIB has been consolidating, building a strong support base. The longer the price coils, the bigger the potential breakout. Analysts are watching for a decisive move above resistance, a sign of a new uptrend. No indicator is perfect, but multiple bullish signals strengthen the case. Combined with Shibarium and adoption, the technicals look promising. The market structure is shifting in favor of the bulls. For patient holders, the next leg up could be closer than it seems. SHIB's secret weapon, its global community, the SHIB army. Millions of passionate supporters act as advocates, marketers, and defenders. On social media, they dominate conversations and rally for new exchange listings and merchant adoption. Their grassroots campaigns keep SHIB in the spotlight and attract new investors. The SHIB Army's HODL mentality creates a psychological floor during downturns. When prices dip, many buy more, stabilizing the market. The developers embrace this decentralized power, giving the community a real voice. As SHIB evolves, the Army drives adoption and innovation. With this unstoppable force, SHIB's story is far from over. For more insights, follow Crypto Insider.